Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Things are actually moving a little faster on YouTube than they are in real life. Right now, we are in week 3. So, I have some really exciting news. The last video that I put out, I spoke about having like a really great rapport with this particular homeowner. She was the one that was renting her home. It was for rent by owner, and I fell in love with it. If you guys can remember the tour that I gave you in that same video, how the fireplace was, the living room, the elongated island, it's the same layout. The only difference is downstairs has a loft, a bedroom. It's almost like an in-law suite type of situation downstairs, and then the main level, and then of course you have the 3rd floor. I absolutely love that townhome. Again, it's a gated community, really small. I'm not going to be able to show you guys like everything. I feel like probably when I move out, I can do like a tour to let you guys actually see the place or whatever the case may be. But I love it. I felt like it was for me, but I kept looking, and everything that I kept looking for, I wasn't like, I don't know, I guess I wasn't allowing myself to fall for it. I'm currently at the car wash, so I'm sitting here talking to you guys. With that being said, I want to share with you guys just some things that I purchased. I'm going to start ordering small things that I currently don't have. I did sell a couple of things out of my house that's no longer going to work in this home, so I will be ordering some items to come in. I have a few items that I'm going to share with you guys now that are going to be like so cute. Of course, you guys know I'm in a new space, new energy. And so the reels are going to be popping on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram. Alright. So the first thing that I'm going to share with you guys is a little bedside picture and also glass. You guys, it's the cutest little thing. I know you're thinking she's so doggone extra, Jesus, but absolutely love it. So you can just fill it up to about here, ice water and all of that. And if you want to go to bed, you close it, that way nothing gets inside. And then of course you pull it out, you pour it, and then you have this. I will tell you guys now, this was about $30, but I am that person that wakes up in the middle of the night pretty thirsty, wake up in the morning pretty thirsty. So having this on the bedside, and of course creating some reels with this, is going to be absolutely amazing. I do have a smoothie machine, I have a juicer, and so I do plan on juicing and of course making smoothies and all of that, and also my coffees. So I also grabbed this cup, of course, whipped cream, caramel, the whole 9 up here. So I ordered 2. One came cracked. I'm gonna order another one. I'm probably gonna have about 6 of them, just so that way if I do go out, the boys can have their cups also. I can fix them like another drink. But I also ordered these. I will be linking everything down below that way. If you guys are interested, you can also have access to grab it for yourself. I feel like you guys are going to love this one. I had this the other day and I had a few people ask about it. So pretty much it's just a jar, screws on, and it has a straw. And I put my smoothies in here. You can put your juice in here. You can put your water in here. I feel like the smoothie's better. It has a pretty large opening in the straw. It also comes with the cleaner for you to clean inside of the straw. And so I really do love this. It came in a box of 8, if I'm not mistaken, but only 2 has the opening. I'm gonna go into Amazon to see if I can order some more caps with the opening and some straws, because I know the kids are pretty, you know, they lose it. So I'm gonna get some extras. This did not come from Amazon, but I did order my Tammy Taylor powder and also my liquid nail and also the no lift primer. Reason why I purchased this is so that way when I am here until I find like a particular nail tech, most of the time a lot of these places do not have this powder, so I'm pretty stuck. So I wanted to go ahead and order it to get ready for it, but I'm gonna go ahead and just have you guys spend the day with me while I'm here. I'm really just gonna eat and hang out and do all of that, so I will see you guys. But I'm really excited. I know I don't seem like it, but I'm so tired. I know I have a lot to do. I know that I have a lot to do in terms of like moving and packing and getting everything ready for the house to prep for me to leave. So I'm just tired and thinking about everything that has to get done, but I'm so happy. I feel like everything is kind of happening the way it's supposed to happen, especially now that I have actually found a new place to live. But yeah, I'm excited, y'all. So let's go. Okay, so I'm really sorry because I clicked off and then I remembered you guys were asking about the sunglasses. These were on High Low Luxe and I got them. I don't know why, you guys. Listen, I try to keep up with some of the girls, but baby, they're a little too rich for my blood. So every now and then they share something that I can actually grab. So when they do share and I can grab it, I grab it. So these are currently sold out. And when I say sold out, they're nowhere on the internet. Nowhere. Not on eBay or anything like that. So we've searched high and low. We could not find them. But these are the Tom Fords. I got these a very long time ago. And when I say a long time ago, my son is 8. I think I got them when he had to be about 3 years old. And let me just say this. I didn't start purchasing designer sunglasses until I stopped losing and breaking the really inexpensive ones that you would normally find like at TJ Maxx at, you know, Home Goods or whatever. I was buying those first, and once I stopped losing them and things like that, I was like, okay, now I'm ready for a designer pair. So I've had these for a very long time. They are Christian Dior sunglasses. If you want to get real fancy with it, say Christian Dior. But I keep them up. Again, I can't find them. I was looking all over to see if I could find another pair. I found some that was similar, but when I ordered them, they didn't have the same fit in the same wear. Now these, I'm gonna see if I can find these online. These are Chloe's, and it's kind of weird because I think when I hauled these, some of you guys were like, some of you guys was like, oh girl, they're cute. I have fallen in love with these. These are the ultimate summer boho sunglasses. So if you're like wearing all white, like, or like a maxi skirt, crop top, pretty much some jeans and a crop, like these are it. You see that? Because at first I was like, I look like a beetle with these things on because my face is small and these are really big. But I really do love them. I think they're super cute. Again, if I can find them, I'm going to link them. But I like the fact that it's really small, the side detail here, and there's no name on it. So it kind of gives you like, oh, I just picked up some sunglasses, but you know, like they're just quality. They feel like they're nice quality sunglasses, even like with the wear. So these are the Chloe's. Again, I'm gonna see if I can find them, but they are 3 years old. So please, if you don't see it, link down below. I probably couldn't find them. I'm really sorry. When I do look for sunglasses, I try to go to Nordstrom Rack first. Nordstrom Rack, and then I will check online. Overstock is actually really good if you're looking for designer shades at a decent price. Sometimes they're like $50, $60, $70 off. The next place is, if I have looked everywhere, High and Low, Consignment, The Real, Fashion File, and I cannot find anything. I then go into Neiman's here in Atlanta. I'll wait. I love designer stuff, don't get me wrong, because I just feel like the quality and just the wear discoloration is a lot better. But again, I don't want to be in debt and I don't want to drive myself crazy about it. So I'm always going to look for, you know, a lesser option. Yeah, I changed my shades, y'all. I started off with the Tom Fords, but because I'm wearing this really cute little orangey situation summer dress from Zara, I'm gonna go ahead and wear these in my hair. What I really wanted to do is do flexi rods and really have like some voluminous curls, but last night just wasn't for me, okay? So last night was definitely against me. I worked super late last night. But that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead because gotta eat. They're almost done. They've got in the car like washed. Just gonna rinse it off now, but I'm gonna go.
No one ever does. You just have to learn to trust one another. As blue as the sky above you. It's true that it won't end this way. If you lose and get sad about it, just know it's gonna go away. As blue as the sky above you.
guys, I'm gonna be making orange juice.
Orange juice?
Orange juice. Well, it's orange mango juice.
Okay.
But I feel as though it's gonna be more orange than mango. So I have this juicer. I believe the name is called HUROM. These are, I forgot what the lady called them. All you gotta do is take the skin off, which doesn't have to be like super perfect. Oh my. Y'all, I love me some doggone fruit. I really do. And if I eat vegetables like a salad, and y'all, I'm sure y'all already know I gotta do the candied pecans. Oh my gosh, Kevin, you wanna taste this orange? Let me let you taste it, cause baby, this is so good.
What am I? A roach?
Now you see why I'm over here just a munching like it's a good orange. Here, baby.
That's a good tangerine.
Ooh, it's real juicy and sweet.
Very good on the salad.
Very good on the salad. Oh, I'm gonna be on an orange diet this week. You can have a little piece, cause I'd have to open up a whole nother one. You need your own. It's sweet. It's good. I'll be peer pressuring you. I know. You want mango? Okay.
Oh my God, but this is sweet.
It's sweet. It's so good. Let me get you a mango. How much juice am I finna get out this thing, baby? I feel like I should just eat it. I feel like I should just, okay, let me do this. Let me hurry up.
There ain't gonna be enough juice, Mom.
What?
I think it's gonna be enough juice, but I look good, but look tasty. Take a sip already, Mom. Just take a sip.
I like this. I like this, honey. I am going to enjoy this very much. But what I would probably do differently is like the night before, just pre-cut everything so that way. And anyway, when I juice, I plan on probably juicing like the whole entire day. That way I can have bottles filled and just put the date on them with my labeler and everything. That looked really good though. It's so thick and concentrated. Ooh, that looks really good. We really Starbucksing it now. Okay. Ooh.
Can I get that cup? Can I get that cup?
Yes.
Yes.
I taste it. For me, just to put a little bit of mango, that mango is hitting in the orange. Ooh. It's really good.
That's good.
It's really good.
This not so good, yeah.
A little ghetto. Baby, all you hear is a slurping. Y'all, it's so good. Like, it's so good.
We're wearing the same jeans.
Uh-huh.
What?
Is that my jeans you got on?
These are my jeans.
Wait, let me see something real quick. Cause they looking very much like my high. Wasted jeans. I already got your brother in my stuff. Let me see. Turn around. Aiden, these are my jeans. Abercrombie.
That's a
You
fact.
said these are mine.
Let me see. Let me see.
Oh my god. You said these are mine. I said, are these my jeans? You said, yes.
Bobby, these are mine, but I don't think the 27 fit me no more, so okay.
I need to get some jeans.
I would have done that.
How you would get this? I love it.
That's a good ad though, yeah.
Gosh, yo, it grind. I'm gonna show you guys the interior, cause it grind this thing so good.
That's a good machine.
It like really got in there and grind the doggones. Ooh. The only part that I'm like, is having to pre-peel. This is really, really good. I'm impressed. I'm not gonna lie. I'm very, very, very overall impressed. It came with if you don't know what flavors to use, you guys, if you plan on juicing, it did come with a catalog of different like juice cocktails that you can do. I'm definitely the hostess with the mostest. So even though I per se may not drink, I know when I'm in Atlanta, my friends are gonna come over. I'm gonna be fixing something. That's why I said mimosas. Cause I think I want to go to Amazon and order one of those large funnel things where you can just pour the orange juice in it and they can just take orange juice. I want to have a little get together. This is amazing. I'm very happy.